Hey guys, this is Jeff from the YouTube channel The Wolf of Wisco. I'm here in my hometown of Osceola, Wisconsin. In downtown here, they're removing an old building that had some water damage. There's a pipe broke in the basement and did some undermining of the footings. So they decided to tear the building down. It's on a hillside here leading down to Cascade Falls. So the city bought the property, and the plan is, I believe they're going to make it a community type area in this location. It's right above the waterfall here, Cascade Falls in Osceola. There's the view of Cascade Falls. Let's check this out. Yeah, it didn't take long for them. They started the day. They got the road blocked off here, right downtown. Yeah, it's going to be a great view right here, leading down to the waterfall. So PY's bar will be, that's these two buildings side by side here. That's going to be on the bluff, basically. Right on the side of the bluff with a community space next to it here, where this old building was. Kind of open that whole view up. It's kind of nice. It opened the whole view down to this river valley. It's going to be a nice spot. It's like straight off the bluff here, guys. It's like straight down. So this building was starting to shift, and they're worried about the integrity of the foundation. So that's why they're tearing the building down. That's the falls, Cascade Falls, flows out into the St. Croix River. There's a stairwell constructed that you can take down to walk down there. It's a kind of a touristy area here in Osceola. Down she comes, right next to the old PY's saloon. Here's a shot behind PY's bar. This is kind of a straight downhill that leads. It's a real steep bluff here, but it's going to be an ideal spot for the city. That won't get in his way. Let's go up here, check this out. Taking down the final wall here. I really noticed a change right here is the view you can see without that building there. Right where that track hoe is, it's going to be a great view right there. And the water flows underneath. A lot of water flowing here. Water flows underneath next to the Watershed Cafe. Flows straight underneath and right next to the watershed, and that's the spot where the building was. Gonna be a great lookout point. Well, that wraps it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the pictures from the air and from the ground. We'll see what the city's got planned for that spot. Should be pretty interesting.